Class 5th, Chapter 14, Safety and First Aid. Children, our lesson is Safety and First Aid. Accidents, they can happen anytime, anywhere, and they cause physical injury. Sometimes accident may lead to death, and generally the accidents occur when we are careless. Most of the accidents can be avoided if we are careful. We can get hurt at home, in classroom, rushing down the stairs, on the playground, or while crossing the road. The only remedy is be careful. The best safety device is a carefulness, and get the safety habit. Children, when we are on the staircase, we are using stairs for going up or down. And when we are on the staircase, then we have to be very careful. Rushing down the stair, this can be great fun, but it is very dangerous. During this rushing down, we may slip and hurt ourselves. So we have to use stairs very carefully and don't rush on the stairs. Fireworks. We all love to play with fireworks on festival like Diwali. But we have to be careful when we are lighting bomb, firecrackers and rockets. Never hold them in hand while lighting. And children, when some elder is with you, then only you play with crackers. Don't use yourself. It is very important safety rules. Accident can also occur in the classroom even. So we have to follow safety rules in the classroom also. Don't play in the classroom or run about or jump on desks and benches. By doing this, we can hurt ourselves. So we have to be very careful in the classroom also. Children, generally accidents occur on the road. So we have to follow safety rules while crossing the road. We should not use phone or talk on phone while crossing the road. We have to be very careful while crossing a road. If zebra crossing is there, then we have to use that only for crossing the road. Flying kites. Children, I know children love to fly kites. If you want to fly kites, you should go to a park or an open ground. Don't fly from the terrace or rooftop, as you may fall down and hurt yourself by doing this. Accident can also occur at home. When we are using sharp instrument, then we have to be very careful while using sharp instrument like scissor, knife or blade. Second thing, to avoid accidents at home, we have to keep things organized and don't rush around through things. We have to keep our things or object at proper place. Now children, things to remember to avoid accident. We must follow safety rules at all times. Accident take place when people are careless or are in a hurry. So to avoid accident, we have to follow rules. And at home, we should not play with the sharp object like knives or scissors. Never touch electrical points and appliances with wet hands. Never play with matchsticks, firecracker, etc. Carelessness may lead to cause fire and injury. When we are on the road, then we have to follow road sign. When we are crossing a road, then we have to use zebra crossing. And we have to keep medicines and syrups away from the children. Harmful substances like spray of insecticides or repellent should be kept hidden from children.